Hi, welcome back to Facts and Tutorials. Today I will show you how to make money scanning grocery receipts. First, you will need to install an app called Fetch Rewards. You can install it using the link in the description.
Once you open it, you will be asked to either log in or sign up. If you sign up with my referral code, which I'll put on the screen, you will get 3,000 points.
So, yeah. Now, once you log in, to scan a receipt, press this button. Then press this button. And then get your receipt ready and scan it. It will turn green once it's ready. Focus. And then you press this button to scan it. If you need to rescan it, press this button, and you need to have the whole receipt in the picture. So if you don't, press this button to add a section, and once you're done, press this button, the submit button. And the receipt will upload. And there you go, you earn points. Once you're done, press this button. So now, in order to use your points to buy rewards, press this button.
Here are the categories for the different rewards. They're all gift cards, but for different stores, like art stores, beauty stores, charity stores, electronic stores, and entertainment stores, etc. Now let's look at MasterCard/Visa. Now let's look at how many points we need for the virtual MasterCard. $10, 11,500 points. $25, 27,000 points. $50, 52,500 points. Now let's look at the Visa. $10, 11,500 points. $25, 27,000 points, and $50, 52,500 points. Now that's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment what video you want me to do next. And please subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye.